Sean Phillips be facing murder charges for the death of baby Kate? That question is now before the Michigan Court of Appeals. And 24-hour News 8's Tom Hillen was in court this morning as the judges heard the case. He's just back now with the story. Tom, what did you hear?
Well, good afternoon, Susan. Right now, 3 judges on the Michigan Court of Appeals are being asked to consider whether a confession letter written to baby Kate's mom is enough to sustain a murder charge. We have been on top of this story for years. Phillips drove off with baby Catherine Phillips in the summer of 2011 after a fight with the child's mother, Ariel Cortland. Sean was eventually found, but baby Kate never was. Sean Phillips was tried and convicted of unlawful imprisonment and is serving 10 to 15 years in prison. After his conviction, he wrote a letter to Cortland explaining what happened. In that letter, he claimed he was mad and flung the car seat out of the back of his car with baby Kate inside. She stopped breathing. He drove her out into the country and left her body and claims he doesn't remember where. The Michigan Attorney General charged Phillips with murder, but a Mason County District Court judge dismissed the case, saying the letter was not enough to sustain a murder charge. Another Mason County judge overturned that decision and reinstated the charge. Now Phillips is asking the Court of Appeals to keep him away from a possible life sentence.
That in this type of situation, the prosecution should be waiting until this letter's not enough to potentially send someone away for the rest of their life.
Now, the Court of Appeals usually issues its opinion within a few weeks of oral arguments. Of course, whichever side loses is likely to appeal to the Michigan Supreme Court. Live in studio control, Tom Hillen, 24-hour News 8.
Thank you, Tom. Turning